fight y'all.
I don't care.
What the fuck? Hey, ass out! Oh shit! They beat the ass! Ass out! Ass out! Somebody save a dude! Damn, they done pulled the ass out the Oh shit!
We driving fast in a slow lane. I do them stunts like a movie. We be on jet to jacuzzi. We driving fast in a slow lane.
What's poppin', y'all? Sky next door. I'm back at it again with another video. You already know. I said in my last video, the getting jumped prank on Monkey part 1 to 30 likes. Y'all got it to what? 52 likes. So y'all must want a part 2. You feel me? Y'all must want a part 2. So I'm gonna give y'all part 2. I'm gonna get dragged in this video. I'm already knowing, literally dragged. So just like and subscribe for my help. Thanks. Let's get into it. Why I say shit? Hello?
What up?
What's up? Ad time. Where you from?
No. Where you from?
I'm from Cali.
I'm from Georgia.
Oh, you far.
I know, right? I just want to take a trip. You feel me?
Who are these people pulling up from behind me?
I'm gonna take a trip down there
Oh
one
my
day.
god. Are you
Oh,
serious?
Excuse me, what's up? Like, what's up?
Are you serious? Y'all just follow me to my house?
Serious.
I said I didn't want to fight y'all at school. Why would y'all follow me to my house?
Yeah, you and your friends fucking messed up.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you and your friends fucking messed
This
up.
is ridiculous, bro. Oh my god. I'm not about to fight y'all.
We don't care.
I'm not fighting y'all.
We don't care.
Get out the car. She out through the windows. She on that sniper game shit, ain't it? She on that sniper game shit.
Hello? At time. Where y'all from?
What'd you say?
Where y'all from? Hmm?
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18? You? Today's my birthday. I'm 18 too.
Oh my
What's up?
god, who are these people pulling up from behind me?
I'm your
This is ridiculous, bro. This is...
friend.
What's up?
I told y'all at school I don't want to fight y'all. Y'all follow me to my house. I'm not fighting y'all. Are you serious? I'm not fighting y'all. I just told y'all at school I don't want to fight. I'm not getting out of my car. Y'all are freaking crazy. I'm not doing...
Oh my god, are you serious, bro? Back.
No.
Oh my god.
Hello?
Well,
Huh?
you cute.
At time. Where you from? Huh?
Iowa, where you from?
Oh, I'm in California.
Iowa, where you from?
Cali.
Damn, that's just far away,
Oh my
man.
god, who is these people pulling up from behind
You know,
me?
hopefully one day.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you're right. Who is these? This is ridiculous, bro.
What's up?
I just told y'all at school I didn't want to fight y'all.
We don't care.
Why did you follow me to my
We
house?
want to fight. What's up?
This is freaking ridiculous. Oh my god. I'm not doing this. I'm not fighting y'all. I'm not.
Oh well. Come on.
I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. So y'all can leave.
Our time.
Oh my god, bro, move. Back up, no. He's just sitting there.
You didn't even care? Wow.
I did. I had time.
T-Money. Hello?
What up?
At time. Where you from? Texas?
Yeah.
Oh, you far, boy. I'm way in California. Who is this car pulling up from behind me, bro?
Dang.
Oh my god, are you serious, bro? This is ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. Why?
What's up? What's up?
I said I didn't want to fight y'all at school.
We don't care.
Why did y'all pull up to my
We
house?
don't care.
This is freaking ridiculous. I'm not
Okay,
fighting
get out
y'all.
of the ridiculous
I'm not getting
car.
out. I'm not fighting
Get out
y'all.
of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
Why would y'all come to my house, bro? This is
Get out of the
ridiculous.
car.
I'm
Get
not
out of the
fighting
car.
y'all. No.
5, 4,
No.
3, 2, 1. We told you, get out the car.
God damn.
Hello?
Hello? What's up?
At time.
Name?
Huh?
What's your name? You cute.
I'm Kaya. What's your name?
RJ.
RJ. Where you from?
Hey,
Hi.
I'm from California, but I stay in the pound.
Well, I'm from Cali too. Who is these people pulling up from
You hear me?
behind? Who pulling up from behind? Oh my God.
You look like about. How old is you? She about 21.
Are
About
you
21.
serious? Why are you? This is ridiculous, bro.
How old is you? About 21.
What's up?
I said I didn't want to fight y'all at school.
We don't care.
This is ridiculous.
I don't care.
I don't want to fight y'all.
You and your friend talking mess is ridiculous.
I wasn't talking mess, bro. I'm not about to fight y'all.
I don't care.
What the fuck? Hey, asshole! Oh, shit! They beat the ass! Asshole! Asshole! Somebody save a dude! Damn, they done pulled the ass out the Oh, shit!
Hello?
How you doing, Nate?
At time.
Damn. You mad?
Where you from?
I'm from Baltimore. Where you at with it?
Oh my God, are you serious, bro? I'm from Cali. This is ridiculous.
What's up? What's up?
I told y'all at school I don't want to fight y'all. Why would y'all follow me to my house?
What's up?
This is ridiculous. I don't want to fight y'all, bro. I'm not fighting y'all. I'm not fighting y'all. Are y'all seriously trying to jump me? This is ridiculous.
We talking. What's up?
Nah, bro, we're not about to jump me. Back up.
Back up.
Back up.
All right, 1-on-1. What's up right now? 1-on-1. Come on. Come on, 1-on-1. Come on.
I'm fighting y'all. Back up.
Come on, 1-on-1.
Car, bro. Y'all cut me
Yes, we don't care. 1-on-1.
off. This is ridiculous. Nah, bro.
They don't want to be fighting.
Oh my
Bitch,
God.
come out to the camera.
You pulled up the car. Yo.
Don't mess with my period.
Period. That's why Noah's been in all that.
That's all the dead roaches. Don't mess with it.
Bro, get back in the car. Every time, get back in the car, you get hit.
Hello?
What's up?
At time. Where you from?
New York.
Everybody from New York on here. I'm from Cali. I'm far.
From New York.
I might have to come to New York.
Where you from?
I'm from Cali. Who are these
Where you
people
from?
pulling up from behind me? Cali.
Oh, that's what's up.
Oh my
You don't
God,
wanna
this is
come out here.
ridiculous.
It's cold.
I'm not about to do
What's
this.
up?
I told y'all at school I don't want to fight. Y'all just
They
follow me
wanna
to my
fight.
house.
Yeah.
I'm not fighting. Y'all trying to jump me?
care. We don't
I
care.
just.
What?
Bro, back up. No, if you want to fight me, you got to 1-on-1, period.
All right, 1-on-1.
What's up? No, back up.
Come on, 1-on-1.
Y'all
Come
really
on.
trying to jump me right
Come
now?
on.
I'm not fighting y'all.
We don't care. Oh well. And what? What's up? We don't care.
And she fucking got out of
Lewiston. Hello?
Okay. Makeup on fleek.
Add time.
Edges on fleek.
Add time, bro.
I ain't about to roast you though. You cute.
Where you from?
I'm from Niagara Falls.
From where?
Niagara Falls, New York.
Really? That's dope.
Yeah, where you from?
I'm from Cali. Oh my God, are you serious, bro?
What's up?
I just told y'all at school that I didn't want to fight. Y'all really trying to jump me?
What's up?
I'm not about to fight y'all. I told y'all at school I don't want to fight. I'm not getting out the car. Y'all really just followed me to my house. What's wrong with y'all? I'm not fighting y'all.
Add time.
Back up, bro. Move. Y'all doing it. Okay, y'all doing too much.
No, bro. Nah, bro.
What's up?
Y'all doing the absolute extras. I'm not finna fight. Back up.
Wow.
It's ridiculous. I'm not doing it. Hello?
What's good?
At time.
It's daytime over there. Add time.
Yeah, at time. Why you saying it like that?
Nah, I was just saying, where you at? It look like it's daytime.
I'm from Cali. Oh my god, are you serious? This is freaking ridiculous. I'm not about to keep doing it.
Oh, we some young.
Y'all really pulled up to my house trying to jump me.
We don't care.
I'm not trying to fight you. I told you at school I don't want to fight and y'all trying to jump me.
We don't care. Back up, bro. Move. Okay. Find me one-on-one because I'm not about to. Alright, what's up? Back up, bro. Okay. What's up? Oh my God. What's up? Back up. What's up? What's up? Period. Don't mess with us. That's on bed. You want mine? I can talk to you.
Hey. That shit funny little bitch.
Hello?
Hello. Where you from?
At time.
Alright.
Where are you from? I like your lights.
I stay out here in Georgia.
I'm way in Cali.
Yeah, that shit dead. Oh, in Cali. Alright, though. Shit.
Oh
Have
my
me on the
God.
snap, though.
Are you freaking serious, bro?
What's up?
I told y'all at school I don't want to fight. Y'all really come to my house trying to jump me.
Oh, well.
This is ridiculous. I'm not fighting y'all. Are y'all crazy? Y'all just pulled up to my house. Y'all just pulled up to my house trying to fight me. What is wrong with y'all? I'm not fighting. Oh my God, y'all really crazy.
Back up. I'm saying one-on-one. Y'all don't know what that jumping stuff. Back up, bro. Period. Back up. Y'all doing too much now, bro.
I did literally, a human actually did get harmed in the making of this video. My butt hurts from falling on the floor so much because they literally did drive me. So give me a thumbs up for that. It's the end of the video. You can do whatever you want. Give it a thumbs up if you want another part. Oh, bye. So stupid.
What's up?
Y'all ruined a good one.
What's up? I heard you was talking all that mess. Trying to fight? I couldn't.
No! We got... It's always the first one I laugh so hard. I can't do it. Please, bro. This is ridiculous.
I'm trying to get out there.
What's up? I'm finna make you breakfast.
Y'all really trying to...
What's up? Why would you do that?
That could have been our last one. It was too fun, niggas. You gonna say, what's up? I'm trying to leave you breathless. What's up? I'm trying to leave you breathless. Who says that?